again.
Back with Woo and Troop. Hey, 2024, we back at it. You know, Chicago Auto Show, first video of the year. Getting it popping for y'all. You know, for y'all out there looking for them new whips or out here just dreaming for them future whips.
No.
Like myself.
Hey.
What you got to say?
I got the, okay from the missus to get something, but you know how I am with my money, so that ain't gonna happen.
We're gonna see. Well, I'm gonna talk them into something. Hey, but we're gonna do a lot of big things this year. We got some trips planned. Hey, we're looking for more people to interview. You know, checking out different people, bikes, cars. So if y'all interested
Use the left 3 lanes to stay to the left.
Damn, Waze. Hey, but Waze would be looking out for us.
Yes,
hey,
sir.
but for real talk, people looking to be interviewed or want to get on the channel, reach out to us, let us know. We're looking for more people to meet up with, do trips with, whatever.
Yes,
you know, guys doing things. 2024.
Hey, you got the annual bike trip. If you ain't scared to ride your motorcycle.
Y'all know how I feel about a lot of that. I'm done talking to a lot of people about taking trips. You know,
Hey,
seeing is believing at this point.
We're gonna put it out there, let y'all know. Hey, it's up to you whether you're gonna get on that saddle and ride.
Yep. And you got to be able to ride and stuff like this, though.
Right.
In this traffic, boy. And
Stay to the left to I-90.
you got to be able to ride that bike and not freak out.
Yeah.
I ain't trying to see nobody go down.
No Dairy Queen riders. No Dairy Queen riders.
No, never. But we can convert them. We can convert them. Teach them how to ride them bikes for sure.
Hey, we had a rookie went all the way to Key West with us.
Oh yeah, it did his damn thing.
Yeah. What up, Rod?
Hey, we back at it. All right, we'll see y'all at the show.
Peace. What you think, Drew?
Man,
You
so
like
far.
the Bronco?
No. No.
Well, we got a little
No.
succession.
Yeah, all the stuff they can say. I was tripping on how thick this rope is, man. That's like
Oh yeah,
super
you gotta
pretty.
be able to pull
Golly.
big old heavy.
Yeah, that's pretty slick. Are you filming?
Yep, I got you.
Check this out. Set this down so I can show you. These guys up here, I had these turned up for a second. So you're going on racetrack, tight corners, whatever. This thing's
Right.
gonna be flying, swaying all over the place.
Yep.
Check out how stable it remains.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
that gimbal is smooth. Damn. Yeah.
While it's moving, all the precise movements still track.
Yeah, I like that.
So the G-forces are absolutely insane. We're on the track with, doing 100, 150 miles an hour with McLaren's, exotic cars, whatever.
Right.
Keeping up on them doing photos. So.
Right.
How do you see the vision, like, for the camera? Like, do you have, like...
So we have a monitor that's mounted inside of the car. That's
Okay.
actually the wire you see here is a video wire, HDMI cord that runs
Okay. All the way
the
through.
monitor, and then we have a wireless hotspot set up, so we can control all the camera settings through Wi-Fi. So the monitors we have are actually compatible with the camera systems we use to be able to control the ISO, shutter speed, record settings, all that kind of stuff wirelessly.
How can they reach you?
Zoka.media. Anywhere on social media. Our website is actually www.zoka.media.
Okay.
312-636-6156. Chicagoland area, southern Wisconsin, northern Illinois. But we'll travel all over the country if we need to.
Nice.
Wonderful.
Check them out, folks.
Yes, absolutely.
Sorry, man. Drew, if you see where you can go right through the back, you can lay it.
Software finds able
Yes.
to, okay, over the air updates. So you don't have to, nice. So new software comes out, it'll automatically,
Yeah.
nice.
That's the one.
That's super slick. They just dropped in. That way you can haul something. Now the most important part, they came up with a price yet.
New Blaze. Hey, it don't compare to that S10 I had white. But hey, they brought it back, which is a good thing.
Yeah, this is the RS version.
Yeah, RS.
You got more room than I thought, though.
Oh yeah, it looks small till you come in and check it out.
Wireless charging.
Huh?
Wireless charging.
Oh yeah.
Got 3.
I think they all try to do that wireless charging.
USB-Cs up in here. Yeah.
Sorry, y'all can't see the dash. They got it on display mode where it won't run the battery down. So
nice panoramic roof.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Real nice. With the red and black interior. You got room. You 6 foot.
Yeah.
The seat back.
The seat back.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Like I say, looks can be deceiving.
Yeah. And I
got headroom.
Yep. Like this. Okay.
I like this.
Another surprise.
Hey, they might change my mind.
Another surprise. Chevy Blazer.
Yeah, Chevy
doing it.
Yeah.
Okay.
They red and black.
Heated rear seats.
Yeah.
That ain't common. With more USB-C ports. So that's big.
Yeah.
You got heated seats in the back. More USB-C charging.
Yeah. Hey.
Okay. All right.
All right. I see you, Chevy. See you, Chevy. Do it.
I don't have to get into that. I know I can fit into that. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's cold. I can do that, Drew.
Look at this.
All of it, yep. It's only money. Go on and get it.
Introducing the all-new 2025 Subaru Forester. Look what love can do.
Drew?
Man, I thought it was okay, average. Some surprises like this Silverado behind us.
Yeah.
That was definitely one of my favorites of the show. But overall, the show was a lot smaller. Still some good surprises, but I still say you should definitely come check it out.
Oh yeah, come check it out if you're in a market for a new vehicle.
Yeah.
I was impressed by Subaru presentation.
Yeah. 50 is the new 30,000. I can tell you that.
And 100 is the new 50.
Yes, facts.
You know, but hey, once again, hope you guys enjoyed. And
make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
Very important.
Yeah, last one, the most important.
Yes, sir.
All right. Peace.